Hey guys, it's Kiana. So today I'm coming to you looking not so cute. We're gonna make myself go from a 3 to a strong 5, and that's with my everyday makeup tutorials. For this type of video, I am gonna show you every single product I use and how I apply it, but I'm gonna speed it up a little bit, put some music in the back so you don't have to hear me talk. Some of you are so happy, I can just feel it. Let me know if you guys like this style of video better, or if you want me to talk through every single product, chit chat about some topics. Let me know.
Hit a wall right now. I know he's just not right for you. Told me you were ready. Girls seem to like the boys, so don't appreciate all the money and the time that it takes. I got you, baby. And all the time they take us into different places. I was so big, I wanna feel you on. Welcome to my house, baby, take control now. We'll take it on like we used to do. It's all in my head. Wish we could turn back time. Are we in the clear yet? In the clear yet? As long as I get dancing. But tonight I'm gonna lose it all. I'm feeling fine. I was so sorry. Listen up, if that boy ain't giving up, lick your lips and swing your hips, girl, all you gotta say is, my youth is yours, tripping on skies through water. My name is no, my sign is no, my number is no. What you gonna do with that dessert? Because I'm free, I won't hold it against you. You do your thing, never wanted a future. Some people try, but they can't find the magic. Others get down on their knees and they're waiting for you to make a move. Before I make a move. So baby, pull me closer in the backseat of your Rover that I know you can't afford, like that tattoo on your shoulder. All of the dots in the hours keep making love to each other, and I'm trying to stay. Even if we break it down, we can find a way to break through. Ain't nothing, put your heart and your soul in it. A little less conversation and a little more touch my body, 'cause I'm so into you, I'm so so just dance, 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 come on. All those things I shouldn't do, but you dance, dance, dance. And ain't nothing leaving soon, so keep dancing. I can't stop it. Soon I'll be 60 years old. Will I think the world is cold? Or will I have maligned children who can hold me? I promise to build a new world for you. Will you ever let it work?
Okay, so I thought I would do my outro in natural lighting so you guys got a better picture of what my everyday glam makeup looks like. Let me know if you guys liked it better without me talking. I'm sure you did, but let me know. Or if you guys like it when I talk through the steps. This is just a new way to do it. Like this video and subscribe to see more videos from me, and I'll see y'all later. Bye-bye.
Met her in the club, all the ballers showing love. Can you party with a thug? I'm just trying to show you love.